Yes, welcome to today's video. My good name is Nick. We are coming live from the village. We are coming right straight from the village. I just want to show you around, so stick on. Make sure that you watch this video till the end. The returning subscribers and viewers, guys, you're the best. And I can't thank you enough. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And I have one of the amazing brothers here. Brother, introduce yourself.
I'm Dan.
His name is Dan. We have the big boy there. And as you can see, we are coming direct from home. You can see. You can see our baby is over there. The house is there. Yes, and we are heading. And today I have an amazing driver. Introduce yourself, bro.
David Mutemi.
His name is David Mutemi. He's my driver. He's taking me to the nearest town, so that I catch the flight to Nairobi. Yeah. Make sure that you watch this video till the end. And we kickstart our journey from this moment. You hear the sound of the aeroplane? And there we go. Sawa sawa. And there we go. Yes, we are coming live from this particular point. I just want to show you around. One of the African lions. Amazing adventures from the village. Amazing adventures from the village. These are beautiful sceneries. You can only watch them via the Nick channel. You can't see this kind of adventures in another channel, so you make sure that you stay and tag along with us as we go through the village. And also, this is a direct message to the government. I think the government neglects the rural areas and they concentrate on much more on the city life. And that is one thing that we should, because we all belong to a village. We all belong to somewhere else. Here we have some amazing guys. They are playing football. You see, this one is a Mesai Secondary School. It's a Badon project. I think the government should look on that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sceneries. Travel along with me. Where? Smakilabam. Ayu kumata ikiene sanondo. Wewe jamaa iko tu yo wenyu. Moyeta wa itu sia stima moye nzelele. Ukwana that is ni nzeo. Nondo yu moye nzelele ana ende ikenya pa mayoko mwege aja. Mayoko mwege yo mwaki. Nabaita kuiba. Kaiba only 500 for you to have the nini. Quick one the dropper. That is a beautiful place to watch the sun go down, where there is that hill. It's a beautiful place to watch the sun as it goes down. Guys, I'm against the sun, so that is why I can't record on the road. I have to record the site because the sun is direct to my screen, and that one won't give us a good images. For the people who stay in town, I guess, not I guess, but I want to tell you that it's a good practice to invest back at home, to make sure that your life is not based on the town, and also change your mind, come back home, invest, come back home, build, come back home, change the lives of the people that will live back here. Yeah, sometimes I know and we understand that city life is good. We all love city life, but we are reminded that we all come from a village. We all come from a rural area, and we should develop that area, because if we don't develop it, then nobody is going to be developing it for us. So it is a challenge that I'm posing to ourselves, that we need to come back home, we need to invest back here. We need to do everything here, because this is where we were born, this is where we've been raised. And just because we are working in the city doesn't mean that we forget about this area. We need to come back here and do the forestry thing. We change everything here. We're going to be getting a good view of that high rock. We'll be getting good view of it because we are now going down a hill. Yes, and there it is, the rock. A church here called the New Apostolic Church. It is over here. Then from there we get a good view of the rock. Yes, I'm not in a good position to zoom it, but there it is. A good point to watch the sun as it goes down. You see how beautiful this place looks. Be able to zoom. The place is hilly. We have the biggest town here. I don't know where's Langali. That one is called Mwingi Town, and that is where we are heading. But we have amazing hills around, and this is one of the best views that I've got here. If I had a good camera, guys, I could be showing you how beautiful this area is. But let us just make use of what we have here now. What you want to give a monkey? Hey, you want to get one? Ngada ubundi siyango ingalo na usenama mani ya kurwanga lella mina. Sometimes la ukira komo sina ndanazoela mineza ndimukua lakini ndabia ko muthini munengale atwae kana manyeneza muna umalo kile kwacha umalo kile kwacha lakini ndawia mwingi muno alafu na ambo stabilize like uzo kila stabilize ya lelo kezaidia ukwata steering ndio shake ukwata steering kila saa no kukata it is not good practice and how ke bundi zokwata steering e farm okay there you one lelo nzembete manele Alisu ndezo shake ya ndesa ikata Yona yuno maneta moto ka sadia onoka la wanwa le bandu ba maliko no ono kwete kindu kindu no ngodi Isabelle de tuna Ano kuzwa ya 1 month namu ya 1 month die saida Alisu amesi ngaza Yona the thing there's what wangalia highway kunde so twa Nungu angale mbingi overtaking Agina nyayu Hai Anoka nenge lol Anambasi I think ngalan adwano transit Hii kuzaneje mkumi nimesukuma Gari ndogo yote Gari ndogo hakuna gari ndogo sijaendesha zote Ele muzao ndo We are heading to the next town. The town is what you're seeing in front of us. That is the town now. That is where we are heading. Now we are on the tarmac road. Vamos a Kiha River. We are crossing the Kiha River now. As we enter the town, we have Tiawendo Gardens. Now we are approaching the main town. We are approaching the main town now. Approaching the main town. One beautiful thing about this town is the town is located on an hilly side. We have this two leisure resort, one of the beautiful resort that we have in this town. We also have another heights, the green heights. They are also sitting well. This is the grand entry to Mwingi town. The grand entry to Mwingi town. Now we are on a clamping lane. We are on a clamping lane. As we approach, see, very beautiful sceneries as we approach Mwingi town. this is what you encounter. There are so beautiful ladies on the road with big butts. I don't know whether it's so good or well. We are on a climbing lane. It's a long climbing lane. We've been climbing for the last 3 minutes. We've been climbing for the last 3 minutes.